The story of the Chartered Institute of Personnel Management spans over 60 years and is a tale of trials, tribulations, and triumphs. From its humble beginnings in 1959 by a group of professionals who envisaged the power of people profession in the local and global context and who refused to be told what to do and what cannot be done. Today, those seeds have grown into a center of excellence for people management professionals. With a member base of 1,500, which is ever growing, including chartered fellows, chartered members, honorary members, associates and affiliates, CIPM takes pride of place among other professional bodies in the country as one of the elite institutes representing the people profession.
As a professional institution, CIPM Sri Lanka has been established by an Act of Parliament, and it has been designed and structured to deliver core values and objectives in the field of human resource management in this country. All the professionals of this institute have been groomed and developed as leaders to practice human resource management in public and private sector organizations in producing unconventional results. I invite all young practitioners to join CIPM Sri Lanka and start acquiring new techniques, best practices, and advanced principles in people management to become great leaders.
The business school arm remains the most prominent among all facilities of CIPM, with a student population of around 10,000 annually. A panel of industry and academic experts who serve on the lecturing panels and affiliations with many international universities and professional bodies. CIPM has earned a name as the epitome in the studies on people management in Sri Lanka. CIPM, with its research arm and the consultancy, seminars and workshops, is also geared with state-of-the-art modern facilities for members to conduct applied researches and publications, as well as to provide related services to the industry. CIPM's ethos remains to facilitate the local fraternity while ensuring that the importance and multifaceted aspect of people profession is made available to all connected with people management. In this endeavor, many events dot the CIPM annual calendar, which includes the National HR Conference, the Great HR Quiz, the Great HR Debate, the Great HR Symposium, the Great HR Practices, the Great HR Walk, and the star-studded CIPM Graduation Ceremony, and more. There are many reasons why people enroll at CIPM. Here are just a few. By becoming a CIPM qualified professional, you will get full recognition of your skills in the world of work. What's more, you can increase your earning potential by as much as 75%. You will enhance your CV, giving you that much needed job security and increase your job prospects. There are many courses that are conducted by the CIPM Business School for you to choose from. CIPM regional centers are strategically placed at important economic hubs of the country such as Kandy, Galle, Kurunegala, Gampaha and Negombo, and more will be established at such strategic locations in time to come to bring the profession to all four corners of the country. CIPM has always prided itself with its membership, governed by an executive council consisting of industry experts, seasoned professionals and academics which have carried a legacy in the profession through the decades. CIPM has over the years cultivated strong relationships in order to ensure that the industry best practices are adopted at all levels. Its long-standing affiliation with Asia Pacific Foundation of Human Resources Management, World Federation of People Management Associations, and Organization of Professional Associations of Sri Lanka are proof of this. CIPM has enhanced the vistas of the people profession in Sri Lanka and has gone beyond the geographic boundaries in conquering the region and embarked upon the elaborate journey true to its vision with a chartered status, and also by hosting the World HR Congress 2020 in Colombo, Sri Lanka, which is a historic landmark for CIPM and will pave us the way to go global. CIPM Sri Lanka.